Hey guys, welcome to Boost Hunter Garage. Today we got something new here. We're gonna do a little unboxing of it first. And something pretty cool. It's a new company. There's not many of this out there. Something a lot different than the typical thing you see from Legacy Forms USA. So let's open this thing up. I haven't even opened it up yet. I've seen pictures of them, but obviously not one in person. So we'll get this thing opened up and see what it's all about. It's all wrapped up. We'll have to get it out here. All right, so there we go. It's their clear diff cover for the AAM 11.5. So on your Cummins trucks and Duramaxes, it'll fit both. And this is their new cover. Pretty cool, all clear. See what's going on in there. It'd be interesting to see it. We'll throw it on and fill it up. But this is brand new. I don't think there's there's maybe only a couple other ones out there. So this is the first, so I'm pretty excited to get one of the first ones out there. Hopefully the first one on YouTube you'll see. And he's got a bunch of other products that they're making. He's got valve covers. I know right now, I believe for Duramax, LS's, I'm not sure what else. He's got a bunch of stuff coming out. I know he's gonna be making clear valve covers for all the Cummins, starting with the common rail ones. So hopefully we'll get our hands on one of those down the road and we can show that. I think there's gonna be 12 valve covers. He's got a bunch of stuff, but pretty fresh new company, all made in the US, right here in Idaho. And we'll just go through what else is in the box here. And so it does come with brand new mounting hardware, which is super nice. It comes with brand new stuff. And then, full instructions. What else we got here? Got some stickers and nice little towel here, polish her up with, keep it nice and clear. So comes with, your full instructions, how to install, your care guide here, how to keep it all good and clean. Certain products you're not gonna wanna use on just to distort the plastic. But so far, looks really well built. And I think, you're gonna have good durability. I know guys are gonna have questions, it being a plastic, but it's a polycarbonate from what I understand. Yeah, polycarbonate. So, which is what bulletproof glass is made from, obviously in layers, but yeah, I can see it being strong. I mean, you think of any of your cast aftermarket ones, I'm sure it actually would be stronger than that. But we'll do some testing on this in durability and we'll see how over time, how it lasts. And I think he said this stuff's good for over 300 degrees, which, I mean, if your differential is getting hotter than that, you got other major issues. So we will be doing a full install. I just wanted to do a short little unboxing video here, kind of see what comes with it. And we will do a full install video on this. And, I'm gonna try mount a GoPro under the truck, different things like that. And we'll drive around and kind of see it in action and see what's going on in there. So I'm super excited to have this, and make sure you go check them out at legacyformsusa.com. See all their products. They're on social media too, on TikTok, I believe Facebook, Instagram. I'll link all their stuff down below. So go check them out. Hit me up in the comments what you think of this, and keep an eye out for the next video where we'll do an install on this. So please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.